Hey guys, it's Rahim. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button because I talk about personal development, property investment, and how to gain financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 recommendations to building a successful business. So if you'd like to know how you can start and scale in business, this video is for you. I advise you to watch until the end. But before we get to that, we've done a research. We realized 87% of the people that are watching our video have not smashed that subscribe button. If you are one of those, I'd like you to do me a favor. I'd like you to please hit that subscribe button so that our videos can be pushed out there, so you can reach more people and more people can be educated and learn and understand how they can start and scale in business. So let's get to it. You see, in order for you to have a successful and really solid business, you'd have to understand what you need to do in order to get you to where you want to go. So in this video, that's really what I'm gonna share with you. This 5 recommendations I'm sharing with you today is a recommendation I use to build different sort of businesses, from my real estate business all to my online businesses that people do not know about a lot. But yes, I'm gonna give you step by step to understand how you can identify your niche, how to develop a solid business, how to focus on the right target market. We'll drill down a lot more to understand what you could do to have a solid, successful business. Here's the thing: if you're building a business, you're not building something that just to last maybe for a year, 2 years, or 3 years, or maybe 5 years. You're looking to build a business that would outlive you. So it's important for you to have a nice, thorough foundation before you even start your building your business. I'm talking about having the right knowledge, the right experience, and the right sort of start to ensure you've got a better and solid foundation in order to be able to expedite your business for when you reach to that level where you really want to expand and grow drastically. But that foundation is what gives you that solid base in order to do that. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. So the first thing you want to look at if you want to start a business is to understand your niche. What niche are you serving? What's your target market? Find out what your target market is, what they're looking for, and you can do a research and understanding exactly whether your business that you're about to start, whether there's a market for it. You may be thinking, how do you do that? Technology has made it so easy for you to be able to do a research on your target market before you actually do a product launch or a service launch. One of the simplest ways to do this is to go online. So there are platforms like Facebook, for example. You can go and do a little research, do a poll, post it out there to your friends and families, and to find out about your idea, whether they would be interested in buying or would they be interested to subscribe in your services, for example, because that's what you want to know for you to gauge what you're really going to be doing, whether there's a market. Suppose you've done that, you haven't got a nicer research. Perhaps you want to do a WhatsApp poll so that you can see from the people you have in your contact whether they would be able or willing to buy the services that you're looking to provide. If it happens to be product, whether they're interested in buying the product in the first place. And also, if you want to do a really thorough research and to understand your target market, you might want to do a little social media marketing campaigns as well, where people would be filling short questionnaire to understand whether they are interested in your product or service. You may be thinking, whoa, this is a lot of things to do. No, sometimes you only need 2 lines. Are you interested in this program, in this product? If they said yes, and then you ask why. If they said no, then you also ask why. So that way you understand what their feedback is. And the second thing you really want to do once you've done that is to develop a solid business plan. So what is a business plan? A business plan is a document that forecasts your vision, your passion, and your strategies from where you are to where you want to go. So it's very important for you to include in your business plan your executive summary. Your executive summary is what give a summary of your business idea, who your target market is, or what you intend to provide for your target market, be product, be services. In this part of the business plan, you don't really need to go drilling down and telling everything. Just a summary. It's like a snapshot. Maybe a paragraph of 4 or 5 lines would be enough to tell what product or services that you're looking to get into the market. And the next thing you want to look at is market analysis. Analyze the market to understand how many people are there that are interested in buying your product and services. So that way you'll be able to kind of forecast and understand where you would be from now to the future. And then the next thing you want to do in part of your business plan is to literally have a company description. Describe your company, what your company is aiming to get, and what your company is doing, what your mission statement is, and all that sort of thing. So that then will give you also a better picture, not just yourself, it will give you a better picture for when you present the idea to anybody else. And then obviously, if you're going to have team members like management people that will manage in your business, at the beginning it just might be yourself. If it's just by yourself, do not shy to put your management section in your business plan, because that's where you're going to talk about your experience, what you've gone through, what are the things that makes you unique and stand out as a director of that company. And then obviously then in that business plan, you talk about your marketing strategy. How are you going to reach your target market? And what are you going to do to get to your market? Are you going to be doing social media marketing campaigns? Are you going to be television campaigns? Are you going to be doing word of mouth? Are you going to be doing whatever that may be for you to target the right target market? And then obviously in that business plan, because you're not just doing the business plans for you, you're doing the business plan also to seek investment. For example, if you're looking to do a really medium-sized kind of business. So what sort of amount are you looking at? Looking for people to invest in your business. So you have to specify that by saying I need X amount. Don't say about or 10,000 plus or maybe 60,000 pounds plus. No, you have to be specific on the amounts that you really need to get your business from where it is to where you want it to be. And then obviously then you can project on, by getting that investment, what you're going to be using the investment for and where is that investment going to get you at. So very important for you to outline that in your business plan in order to make it a solid and really appealing business plan for you and your investors. The third thing you want to do is what we call focus on customer experience. At this point, you might not have any customer, but you want to visualize what sort of customer services you want to provide to your customers, right? You have to be having strategies of gathering feedback and how you could implement these feedbacks for when your customers come back. Have you ever seen a product description and feedback on Amazon, for example? If you go down to the product, it tells you all the feedbacks, all the reviews about the customer experience of a product or a service that they've bought. So these are the sort of things you want to kind of understand how you could implement in your business in order to have a thorough understanding of the feedback of your customers, because any unhappy customer could be a really valuable customer, because if you know what their pain point are, why they were not happy, and you try to rectify that and go back to them and tell them you rectify it, or publicly tell people about it in the open market, they will see that and they will understand exactly how you serve their customer, and they will realize that your customer is really your focus, and also you're more that sort of person that would provide a great customer service for your business. And also think long-term value for repeated customer that you've actually served, because if you serve them really well, they will not just come back, but guess what? They will refer you to so many clients. That then takes us to number 4, embrace digital marketing. I know there's so many people thinking, whoa, there's so many ads going on YouTube, so many ads going on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. You name the platform, there's so many things there, but I don't want that to deter you from doing digital marketing, because digital marketing is a process that would allow you to reach thousands and millions of people without paying tens of thousands of pounds on television channels or magazines or medium like that. So today you can sit on your desk yourself, grab your computer, go on social media and do your own digital marketing as well. So if you're doing a website, maybe you want to look at the SEO side of the website, because SEO is what helps your website to be found when someone is searching, for example, a product or services that you are going to be putting out there. So very important for you to get your SEO optimized, get someone consistently looking for a search engine optimization in a way that it would improve, and when someone searches for any of your product, you are on top of the list. That then gives you more chances to be able to sell your product. Content marketing is also brilliant. Content marketing is one of the things that really drive traffic to your business. What do I mean by content marketing? It's like educating people about product and services, about what you do, or educating them about what you are doing in terms of product launch and all that sort of thing. And then by the end of the video or something like that, you can then kind of tell them, hey guys, if you're interested in this, could you kindly try it and see if it works for you, for example, or it only costs you X amount. I would really appreciate if you do. So things like that is what you do. If you remember when I start this video, I ask you to kindly subscribe to my channel. So it's something like that you can call their attention to buy your product and services without actually selling it to them. Number 5, monitor your finances. Understand the basic financial management, how you can manage your income and expenses. Again, this is not hard. Income is any money you make from selling your product and services, and your expenses are anything that you've incurred to bring that product or services to life. I'll give you an example. Maybe your light and heat, if you use electricity and gas, your telephone bill could be a cost, your broadband could be a cost, your packaging, if you're gonna package the product, if it's a product, if it's a service, the platform that you're using to host your services, these are your costs. So what you do, you add all those costs together, and then you deduct it from the money you would have made from selling your product or services. Monitor that to ensure you are getting a good margin to get you to where you want to go. And most importantly, budgeting. Budgeting is very, very important. Budget how much you're going to use in your expenses and how much money you want to put aside to buy more product and services. And then look at your cash flow. Manage your cash flow. What is cash flow? Cash flow is what shows you how much money you have to run your business before you run out of money. So it's very important for you to know what your cash flow is in order for you to be able to have the flow of money. It is important for you to be financial literate as well. But if you're not, that's not a problem. What you could do, you can get an accountant, a financial advisor, or people like that that got the knowledge and experience to help you, guide you in order to be able to know how your finances are for your business. To summarize, 1, you need to identify your niche. You need to know what your niche is, okay? Secondly, develop a good, solid business plan. Focus on your customer experience. At the point if you're just starting, you might not have your customers, but visualize what your customers base will look like. Number 4, embrace digital marketing. Number 5, monitor your finances. If you look at these 5 things and implement those 5 things, it would give you the foundation of building a solid business that would outlive you. I really hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, hit the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing the next video.